The Great Migration, Journey into Wildebeest World. African grasslands and savannas host the Great Migration of the wildebeest, a breathtaking spectacle. With their muscular bulk and unique horns, these beautiful creatures wander across the plains in search of new grazing land and water. Discover the wildebeest's biology, behavior, life cycle, ecological significance, and struggles in the wild. Antelopes, cattle, and goats are bovidae, including the wildebeest conchetes. These extraordinary species evolved millions of years ago in the Pleistocene, when they lived alongside mammoths and saber-toothed cats. 1. The blue wildebeest conchetes taurinus. Eastern and southern African grasslands and savannas are home to the highest numbers of this species. They have remarkable blue-gray coats, unusual facial features, and long, sweeping horns. 2. Black wildebeest conchetes nu. Smaller than the blue wildebeest, this species lives in South African grasslands and has a dark to black coat. Their unique horns curl forward before rising. In the harsh African savannas, wildebeest have developed many adaptations. They are known for their huge, muscular bodies, which provide them power and endurance for extended migrations. Men and women utilize their horns to defend against predators and show dominance in the herd. Due to their teeth and digestive processes, wildebeest can graze on tough, fibrous grasses. Wildebeests grow, migrate, reproduce, and survive. Let's explore these renowned creatures' fascinating life cycles. 1. Birth and childhood. In the rainy season, when food and water are available, wildebeest calves are produced. For birth, a pregnant female leaves the herd and hides in tall grasses or woods. Many females give birth quickly, synchronizing calving. Lions, hyenas, and crocodiles prey on newborn wildebeest calves. They are born with wide eyes and can stand and walk within minutes. The mother cleans and encourages her calf to stand, nurse, and join the herd for protection. 2. Nursing and bonding. Wildebeest calves rely only on their mother's milk for sustenance in their initial weeks. The mother zealously guards her calf from threats. Many moms and calves join nursery groups for protection. Wildebeest cows look after their calves, providing direction, warmth, and comfort. Mothers teach calves how to sense danger, find food, and travel. 3. Vulnerable period. Wildebeest calves face constant danger from predators throughout their early months. Lions, hyenas, leopards, and crocodiles are the worst threats, waiting to strike. Wildebeest moms hide their calves in lush vegetation, guard them, and lead them away from danger. 4. Integration into the herd. Wildebeest calves get stronger and more independent, moving away from their mothers. In the larger herd, they are safer from predators. Calves play, jump, and fight together in compact groups. 5. Juvenile years. Wildebeest calves gain crucial survival skills during this stage. They learn grazing strategies from elder herd members and form social hierarchies. Playful interactions with other calves establish herd ties and prepare them for adulthood. 6. When wildebeest attain adulthood, around 2 to 3 years old, they enter the subadult stage. Subadults may abandon the maternal herd to form bachelor groups or small herds. The light-hearted sparring contests prepare them for mating competitions. 7. Mating and reproduction. Wildebeest conduct stunning mating displays during the rut, the breeding season. Bulls show off their strength and dominance to attract females. Running, grunting, pawing, and horning with competitor males are common displays. Less dominant men may establish coalitions or challenge dominant males for breeding rights. But dominant males mating with several females is most successful. Bulls fight for dominance and the chance to pass on their genes. 8. Pregnancy and childbirth. Female wildebeest give birth to one calf after 8 to 9 months of gestation. It's common for calving to coincide with the rainy season, giving infants plenty of food and water. In big groupings, called calving grounds, females give birth. This coordinated calving reduces predators since the number of babies overwhelms them. In grasslands, wildebeest calves have reddish-brown coats for hiding. 9. The Great Migration. The wildebeest migration is one of nature's most amazing occurrences. Millions of wildebeest, zebras, and other herbivores migrate across East Africa each year. The migration seeks new grazing pastures and water supplies after seasonal rains and grass growth. Wildebeest migrate over rivers, grasslands, and savannas to find food. 10. Survival and predator. Lions, hyenas, and crocodiles hunt wildebeest throughout their lives. To avoid predation and survive, wildebeest have developed many survival techniques. Numbers provide safety in numbers, as predators are overwhelmed by large herds. Wildebeest herd in compact clusters, protecting the young. They can spot danger from afar and escape predators thanks to their excellent senses of sight, smell, and hearing. Wildebeest sound loud warning calls when threatened, causing the herd to flee. Wildebeest must dodge ravenous crocodiles when crossing the Mara River in Kenya and Tanzania. Wildebeest dive into the fast-flowing rivers to cross in a frenzied manner. Many die from weariness, drowning, or stealthy underwater predators. Wildebeest have survived these hurdles due to their adaptability and herd strength. Their successful migratory patterns and synchronized calving procedures have ensured their species' survival for decades. Wildebeest affect plant ecosystems, nitrogen cycling, and predator-prey dynamics on African savannas. Wildebeest affect grassland structure and composition as grazers. Their frequent grazing creates a mosaic of plant species that feed a variety of herbivores and other creatures. They also help grasslands regenerate by spreading grass seeds in their excrement. Big cats, vultures, and hyenas prey on wildebeest because to their abundance. Predators manage herbivore numbers, limiting overgrazing and maintaining environmental equilibrium. Wildebeest face many problems despite their iconic status and ecological importance. Human activities, habitat degradation, poaching, climate change, and disease outbreaks threaten these wonderful species. 1. Degradation of habitat. The fast growth of human settlements, agriculture, and infrastructure has disrupted wildebeest migration. Their habitats are fragmented, preventing them from moving freely and accessing vital supplies. Conservation initiatives include maintaining and restoring vital habitats, protecting places, and wildlife corridors for wildebeest and other ruminant movement. 2. Illegal wildlife trade and poaching. Poachers rarely target wildebeest, but they often fall into other wildlife snares. Wildebeest numbers are threatened by the illegal bushmeat trade, especially in lawless areas. Anti-poaching patrols, community-based conservation programs, and public awareness efforts are crucial to wildebeest protection. 3. Drought and climate change. Climate change causes unpredictable rainfall and extended droughts, which harm wildebeest herds. Wildebeest must travel farther to get food and water during droughts. Conservation initiatives include monitoring climate change's effects on wildebeest habitats, drought response plans, and sustainable land management to boost resilience. 4. Disease outbreaks. Wildebeest are susceptible to diseases like anthrax and bovine tuberculosis. Disease outbreaks can destroy communities, especially amid drought or migration. Monitoring, vaccination campaigns, and disease management measures are essential for wildebeest herd disease outbreak prevention. Conservation organizations, governments, local communities, and nonprofits lead wildebeest conservation and habitat protection efforts. These efforts emphasize different strategies. 1. Protected areas and animal reserves. National parks, reserves, and conservancies offer vital habitats for animal species like wildebeest. These protected regions facilitate migration and breeding and preserve crucial habitats. 2. Community-based conservation. Involving local people is crucial for long-term wildebeest conservation success. Wildlife protection is economically rewarded via ecotourism, sustainable agriculture, and alternative livelihoods in community-based conservancies. 3. Creating and maintaining wildlife corridors and migratory pathways enables wildebeest to roam freely between seasonal grazing regions and water sources. These corridors reduce habitat fragmentation and maintain migratory patterns. 4. Research and monitoring. Research is essential for understanding wildebeest ecology, behavior, and population dynamics. Monitoring wildebeest movements, population trends, and health condition helps conservation planners and managers. 5. Public awareness and education. Increasing awareness of wildebeest conservation is crucial for promoting harmony between humans and wildlife. Educational programs, community outreach, and ecotourism teach about wildebeest and the ecology. Indigenous Africans adore wildebeest for their tenacity, strength, and role in nature. Traditional folklore, songs, dances, and ceremonies feature them to symbolize perseverance, unity, and nature's cycles. The Great Migration of Wildebeest is a natural sight and a reminder of African savanna existence. This amazing sight has drawn tourists, photographers, and wildlife enthusiasts from around the world. As we finish our wildebeest journey, we realize how much these amazing creatures affect the African savannas. Their epic migrations, synchronized calving, and crucial role in structuring ecosystems show the delicate web of life in these enormous environments. However, wildebeest populations face tremendous difficulties that require society-wide cooperation. We can keep wildebeest roaming Africa's plains by safeguarding their habitats, fighting poaching, tackling climate change, and cooperating with local communities. Gather to honor the wildebeest, savanna protectors, and preserve their heritage for future generations. Their thunderous hooves, the great migration's wide vistas, and nature's eternal rhythms remind us of the value of our natural world and the need to maintain it for all life on Earth. Join us in honoring the enduring legacy of wildebeest and their pivotal role in shaping the African savannas. Together, let us chart a path towards a future where wildebeest and humans coexist harmoniously, safeguarding their habitats and nurturing each other's well-being along the way. Please subscribe, like, and share this message. Take action today to support conservation efforts aimed at protecting wildebeest and preserving their natural habitats in your community. Together, we can make a meaningful difference for wildebeest and the environment.